Do you want a tasty treat that will add inches to your waistline, send your blood sugar soaring and make you hate your body every time you look in the mirror? Then watch this video. It's delicious and it will definitely make your taste buds tingle with delight. And your left arm will go numb. Well, ignore your diet and eat whatever your heart can be clogged by. Honey, chicken. Imagine crisp and crunchy, sweetly coated batter topped with sesame seeds surrounding plump, juicy chicken tenders. So sweet that you would only assume that it is a pure heavenly delight. If you've reached the inevitable conclusion that honey is bee vomit extracted from a flower vagina, then I would like to be the one to remind you that this is a YouTube cooking show and not some weird fetish video. All that being said, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel as I can buy some more pink fluffy handcuffs. Actually, when you come to think of it, Noodle Paradise does actually sound like it. Yeah, I'll leave that one alone. I'm Chris and welcome to another Fast Food Fight, the show where I review popular dishes from fast food chains and recreate them to look and taste like their retail products whilst reducing the cost. Today we're cooking honey chicken from Noodle Paradise with all the ingredients purchased from our local Coles supermarket. So let's cut to the chicken into cubes. That is roughly 2 centimeter cubes. I'm using chicken tits that I'm removing any skin off of. Next, place them into a bowl, add some garlic powder, salt and pepper, and lukewarm water diluted in vinegar. Next, you want to start making your batter. Start with an egg, add a pinch of salt, 1 cup of water, whisk until frothy. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk again. Add 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and mix until thickly congealed. The next thing you want to do is add a teaspoon of sesame oil just to make it smooth and not so sticky. Now add your marinade. Marinated chicken and batter into a bowl, mix thoroughly. It should be left for a few minutes. Now it's time to add your battered and abused chicken into some boiling oil. Try not to overcrowd the pan. Make sure you cook in batches. Remember to cook until crisp, but not golden brown. Now it's time to make your sauce. Start with 2 tablespoons worth of ketchup, then add 4 tablespoons of unrefined palm sugar. Now add about 1/4 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, now chuck it into your wok. Wait until it starts to boil, and then add your chicken. Give it a quick toss. Now you want to plate it up with some green stuff to make it look kind of healthy. Add some sesame spunk to it. Serve it with rice if you like. See? Not bad for under $5. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. This is the American Pure 36 Explosive Space Modulator.